So what is bruxism? All of you must have done it and all of you must have seen it also. Bruxism is basically the teeth grinding. You may have noticed children, in sleep, they go on grinding their teeth. It is found in 5 to 30% of children, and usually it is found in association with anxiety. Okay, usually found in association with anxiety. And what is the problem with bruxism? The problem with bruxism is, as a child continuously does so, there is pain in the temporomandibular joint, and also there can be muscular pain. The muscles also keep on acting all the time, so there can be muscular pain, and of course dental occlusion can also occur.